3, Game 5. The best of the West has yet to be determined.
Budweiser Gardens, jam-packed as the London Knights and the Sarnia Sting meet in what could be the first of 3 games before the end of Monday. Game number 5.
The line, Limberland, quick shot, rattled in front of the net, another shot, forward with a sprawling save.
There we go. Here, 2-on-1, it's a chance, a shot, nice score. It is Ruslan Yazidov back into the lineup.
Ruslan Yazidov on a 2-on-1 converts, and the London Knights have taken a 1-0 lead.
The 3-man assault in across the line, Crane, peppering them, a shot right on, no throw.
In what has been a wild opening period, considering there's only 1 goal on the scoreboard.
Back in again. Top of the circle, Mass, all kinds of time. Sean Bowen with the save from point blank range.
Cowan grabs it. In low, a shot is stopped by Gaudreau. Oh, Easton Cowan came close as he snuck behind the defense.
No change from the end of the first period here. Still 1-0 London. And it's been a back and forth affair here. Both goalies playing real well here.
Up there by Delmas. A wide open Dillingham shot scores! Nolan Dillingham left unattended in front as the play engineered by Del Mastro.
40 seconds into period 3, and we are back at square one. Across the Sarnia line, he shoots, he scores! Denver Barkey with a shot up high, and the London Knights have gone right back in front. Denver Barkey with a bullet. The puck into center for Winterton. Winterton across the blue line, he shoots, scores! Ryan Winterton! And the Knights have taken a 3-1 lead. We've seen 3 goals in a minute and 32 seconds.
Easton Cowan able to induce a turnover in the Sarnia zone. 4-1 for the London Knights.
And the London Knights have taken a 3-2 series lead.
It's called the Twinterton line. Quite a performance from your trio tonight, and just talk about the chemistry between the 3 of you together.
Yeah, I feel like kind of ever since we got here, we had a tight bond, and I feel like we feed well off each other, our energy, and I feel like we get in on the forecheck and create turnovers and make plays then.